Now that Birst is officially an Infor company, many Infor customers and partners are wondering about how best to utilize Birst's industry-leading analytics to take even more advantage of the value of their Infor application data. And they're also wondering whether it's possible to add even more value by combining it with other corporate data assets. The answer is a resounding yes, and not only is it possible, Birst was specifically and uniquely designed to allow you to create a unified, seamless analytic fabric, which includes all relevant data sources, regardless of what they are, where they are, or how you prefer to access them. Yosemite Analytics is an experienced and certified Birst partner committed to the analytics success of all Infor customers and partners. To that end, we have prepared this short introductory video, which includes Infor-oriented highlights from a series of 3 new on-demand videos you can view at YosemiteAnalytics.com. The highlights included here focus on the ways that Birst can add real analytic value to your Infor application data, as well as your other corporate data assets, and what we mean by a unified, seamless analytic fabric and the significant advantages that come with it. The following video highlights will be presented in sequential order as they appear in the 3-part series. To see these highlights in context and to learn much more about the power of Birst and its unique ability to provide what is called networked BI, please visit our free on-demand video library at YosemiteAnalytics.com. In this session, we're going to take a look at how easy it is to use Birst dashboards and also how easy it is to build them from scratch. We're going to highlight an approach to building business-centric dashboards called value-based design. And lastly, we're going to take a quick look under the hood at the secret sauce behind Birst, something called automated data refinement, which allows Birst to pull together data sources from many different places, your internal data sources, as well as external data sources. They can be databases, big data sources, spreadsheets, cloud-based, on-premises, a wide variety. And with Birst now being an Infor company, if you're an Infor customer, you will soon also be able to even more easily access and use Infor application data in your analytic dashboards and even from within your Infor applications. With Birst's advanced cloud-based and web-scale analytics, you can easily pull together all of your data sources into one unified, seamless analytic fabric so that your users can access all of that data without having to think about or be concerned about where that data came from. These are some of the cloud data sources that Birst easily lets you connect to. And for this example, we'll use the Salesforce CRM system, and it could just as easily be other CRM systems, including, because Birst is now part of Infor, you'll soon be able to see many more Infor data choices listed here, which could look something like this. So now what we want to do is use these data sets and the relationships between them to create an analytic fabric that provides your users with a seamless way to look at all the data from throughout your organization. Now in this example, all 4 of these are coming from SQL Server, but you could actually have many more than 4, of course, and they could all be coming from different types of data sources. And with Birst now being part of Infor, in the future, many Infor customers and partners will be building applications accessing Infor-based data from many different types of Infor applications, some of which you see here on the screen. And of course, the beauty of what Birst allows you to do is that you can combine data from those Infor applications, if you wish, with data from all these other types of data sources, such as databases, Hadoop, cloud-based data sources, Excel, flat files, etc. And after you've combined it all together into that unified analytic fabric, your users can access all of that data without regard or concern from where those data items came from. That is the beauty of the powerful engine behind Birst, which also enables something very powerful called networked BI, also known as networked analytics. And as we look here at the list of measures and the attributes also that are available to us, It's good to remember that all of these different items could be coming from different data sources, which highlights the importance and the value of that unified analytic fabric, that seamless fabric, that your users can access all of this information without needing to know about or be concerned about where it came from. These could be coming from different database systems or different flat files or Hadoop or many kinds of different cloud-based sources. And of course, now that Burst is part of Infor, these could also be coming from different Infor applications. And it's really the beauty and the power of Network BI that brings all this together, all these different data items, potentially from all those different kinds of data sources, into one place for your users to access very easily and freely. So we see that's a high percentage of those cases come just from manufacturing. Let's see what the retail industry looks like compared to that. And that's only 411 cases. So this is interesting information, very easy to interact with. And again, we can do this type of interaction because of that analytic ready data warehouse that Burst built for us automatically using automated data refinement. That is what makes it possible to not only show this information combined together in the ways that it is on the screen, perhaps with each one of these columns could be coming from a different data source. But not only is that useful for presenting the information, but the ability that we just showed that your users will have to interact with the information through the power of automated data refinement and also networked BI. So it didn't take us very long to create this beautiful dashboard from scratch, utilizing information from another organization's space, the sales and marketing billing information, combining that with our cases related information to give us some very useful insights into our business. Thank you for watching. For more free on-demand videos, please visit our website at yosemiteanalytics.com.